Hey, how's it going? Before the video starts, I just want to let you know that I only started recording right before I was finished putting the keyboard together, but there are still some clips worth sharing. Enjoy. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the DIY kit with most of the switches already soldered on, and these are the novelty cream switches, which are really nice linear switches that are, I guess, similar to cherry reds in a way. So as you can see here, this is the board that it's pretty much soldered on except for 4 because I didn't have enough. But I bought that nice little 10 pack, as you'll see there on the left in a minute, right there. And we're going to be soldering that on right now for you guys, so let's see that. So what you're about to see right now is what I had to do about 80 times before this. You can see my finger pointing at the unsoldered switch where you can see the 2 points of contact where I had to solder still. I had my soldering tool heated and my solder with a rosin core, which is the dirty stuff you'll see in a minute. So there's the solder on the left and the heated tool on the right. Actually a very delicate process of not keeping the tool on the PCB for too long and getting a good amount of solder and making sure like the tool's on the side and not on the top of the prong so that the solder flows good, I guess. As you can see there, I'm trying to make sure that each point comes to a tip and it's also very shiny. And now you can see the dirty rosin on the outside. So this is the only one I recorded as well. So we'll continue on to the issues with the board after I finish soldering. Alright, right off the bat you can see that the video decided to film vertical even though I was holding my phone horizontally. Right now I'm showing you the support bars for the specialty keys, which I didn't have a problem with other than I should have put them on before soldering the switches. And then, really my only major issue was that I forgot to put the base plate on before soldering. So, as you can see, the plate looks like it fits, but it actually sits too high, which you'll see in a second here. Yeah, see, it sits way too high. The keycaps wouldn't fit, so I just didn't use it. But, luckily for me, the switches used are the type that don't require a plate because of the 2 spike pieces that hold onto the PCB once pushed in, which you could see just that second ago. Other than that, there are only minor issues that I have since fixed, which are the space key was barely slanted, so I had to resolder that, and the Q key stopped working because the connector broke, and I just resoldered that as well to fix it. Those are all the issues, so now onto the typing part where it's all set together. Here we are. As you can see, there's a small screen appearing that will show 50 words that I'll be typing kind of slowly since I'm only using one hand and I have to record with my other. Don't mind how many mistakes I make since I'm still getting used to this keyboard, and you'll see the OK hand symbol because I sync my audio like that. Okay. And that's it. Now I just have to wait for the keycaps to ship and I'll be finished. Huge shout out to Tahea Types for the inspiration and KBD fans for their fast delivery on every product I ordered. Also shout out to Donut Cables, who made me a custom TechFlex cable for a really good price. I almost forgot, the keyboard base and PCB itself is called the R6 KBD75 DIY kit. I'll post links for every piece in this build except for the current bed keycaps. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and leave a comment for what you would have done differently and what switches you prefer. Peace.